Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we want to talk on how to download Adobe Firefly. We call it Adobe AI. Adobe Firefly, when you want to download Adobe Firefly, you come to your Google browser and search Adobe, Adobe Firefly. Firefly, download for PC, download for PC. So after that, discover Adobe Firefly or Adobe Firefly. You can also go down Adobe for free for buy. Since we want to download Adobe Firefly for free, you can come here Adobe Firefly for free. Now you will be taken here. Here you will be taken. First thing you'll be asked where you are coming from, the continent that you are coming from, and this one depends with the location on your phone. So since I'm in Africa, I'll take Africa. Okay. Then we have here the Firefly. You have 7 days free trial or buy it right now. If you want to buy it, you will pay US dollars 29.99 per month. But since we want the Firefly for free, we will come here and say free. So you will be taken to this page. You will have 14 days after your trial and then the cancel. You can have 14 days free trial. So to me, we have different purchases. We have individual, business, or student. That is institution. So you will choose the one you want. You'll choose the one you want. So for example, me, I want for free for 7 days. That is 7 days free trial. Then continue. 7 days free trial. Then you will be taken to Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, here we have Adobe Creative Cloud. And here in Adobe Creative Cloud, it will tell you try us for 7 days. You have to use it for 7 days. So you will have to sign in to Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, you have to sign in. You enter your email if you have Adobe Creative Cloud, or if you don't have Adobe Creative Cloud, you sign in at the right or left corner. Sign in. By signing in Adobe Creative Cloud, you do what? You create an account. If you don't have an account, you create an account or you sign in. Since you don't have this, you are first time in using Adobe Firefly, you will come and create account. By creating account, you just put your email address and password. Email address and password. Then follow the step, download Adobe Firefly and enjoy using Adobe Firefly. If this tutorial is helpful, kindly like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.